WAN 3.0. I generated this movie you are watching using WAN 3.0. And WAN 3.0 gives you 30 seconds videos in a click. Just a click and you get 30 seconds videos. WAN 3.0 is actually battling Seedance 2.0 right there, 2.5 right now. They are both on a competing stage. Seedance 2.5 generates you 30 seconds video and WAN 3.0 generates you 30 seconds video. And in this particular video, I will be showing you a platform you can use to try WAN 3.0 for free. I generated all your watching using this particular platform. So let's head over. Let me show you how I did that and you can do yours.
First thing, all right, is go to ChatGPT for your video prompt and for your image prompt. All right, now ChatGPT gave me an image and video prompt, but I sent the image prompt to ChatGPT to give me image. Now watch my video prompt because it's a 30 seconds video. All right, it cannot be just anyhow video prompt. I need it timed. So I requested for a timed video prompt. ChatGPT gave it to me, and this is the image I equally asked it to generate. Okay. Mind you, you must tell ChatGPT it is a 30 seconds video prompt. Now, this is the image from ChatGPT. That is the scene, all right, that we will be generating the video on. I've downloaded it. You head to your browser. All right, I'm using Chrome, whatever browser you have on your phone. Type in 130 AI. On the search, type in 130 AI. The first one, you click on it, it opens up this way. All right, you can see that. This one, then you need to log in. Okay, sign up. I've logged in using Google. Okay, I'm properly logged in right now. This is how it looks. Now, immediately you log in, you'll be given 40 credit for free, which you can use to generate AI video using 130 3.0. All right. Now, you can just take your time and go through this site. All right. You can take your time and go through this site. Okay. So take your time, go through it, and decide what to do. But first, let's head over to start with our creation. All right, let's head back. Now you click on create with WAN 0.3. As you can see, this is it. Just take your time and scroll. But here is what is important. There is your resolution gets to 1kp and 30 seconds video. That is the most important thing about this WAN 3.0. It gives you access to generate 30 seconds video at a go. So if your scene is one scene and you need a multiple dialogue, this is good. All right. Now, just take your time and go through it. There is image to video, reference to video. There is equally text to video, whichever one you choose. All right, but for the cost of this video, we are going for image to video. All right, you can see it is right on image to video. Now, what you need to do is click on first frame, upload this image we downloaded from ChatGPT. Okay, come down where you see prompt, paste that prompt we generated, ChatGPT gave to us. All right, this is it, the image. Then the resolution is chosen already, the aspect ratio is chosen. If you're going for 30 seconds video, take it to 30 seconds. If it is 10 seconds, if it is 15 seconds, but since we're going for 30 seconds video, we will be taking it straight. Okay, then you click on generate. All right, let's scroll down. I need to add now it is generating already. Once you click on generate, it starts generating. your video. You have to give it time to be done generating. All right, as you can see, it is generating a 30 seconds video of a Nigerian movie scene for us. It has actually analyzed our prompt. Okay, so you have to give it time. Now, WAN 3.0 is competing with Seedance 2.5. This is the area. And when it comes to AI movies, movie series, WAN 3.0, it is so good at it. All right. Now, let's see what it generates for us. Let's see what it generates. Yeah, we are almost there. Almost. That is about 96%. And our video will be ready. Then our video is done generating. Okay, just go ahead and download the three dots by the right hand side. Click on it and you download the video. All right, now the quality is top notch. The dialogue is top notch. I will be playing it at the end of this video so you get to see what we generated. So watch, do not forget to subscribe and like the video.
Tell me the truth. Who was that woman calling you last night?
What woman? You are imagining things again.
I saw her picture on your phone.